Did you know the average driver in the United States spends over $1,500 a year just topping off lost or burned engine oil? And every single year, more than 40% of all cars older than 100,000 miles suffer from excessive oil consumption, often leading owners to think their engine needs a costly rebuild. Some of these rebuilds can exceed $4,000 to $6,000. What if I told you that in many cases, you don't need to open the engine at all? That's right. Legendary Japanese mechanics have honed specific methods that reduce or even stop oil burning without tearing the engine apart. In this video, I'm going to uncover 11 professional Japanese secrets to fix oil burning without opening the engine. If your car is smoking, losing oil between changes, or fouling spark plugs, this video might save you thousands. Let's get started. Method 1. Controlled flush technique. One of the biggest reasons cars burn oil is carbon buildup around the piston rings. This is because carbon deposits prevent the piston rings from scraping excess oil off the cylinder walls. Japanese mechanics don't immediately consider it an engine wear. They first assume carbon restriction. Instead of harsh engine flushes, they use controlled high-detergency oil cycles. This involves switching to a high-quality oil with strong cleaning additives and shortening the oil change interval to around 1,000 to 1,500 miles for 2 or 3 cycles. This gradual cleaning approach restores ring mobility safely. Many engines that were burning 1 quart every 800 miles drop to 1 quart every 2,000 to 3,000 miles after this process. It is slow, but it is safe, and that's why Japanese workshops prefer it. Method 2. Precision adjustment technique. Japanese mechanics carefully analyze engine wear before recommending a rebuild. If tolerances have slightly increased due to mileage, they may recommend moving up one viscosity grade, for example, from 5W20 to 5W30, or from 5W30 to 10W30, depending on climate. This is not random guessing. The slightly thicker oil forms a stronger oil film on cylinder walls and reduces oil slipping past worn valve seals or piston rings. They never jump too thick because that can reduce oil flow on cold starts. The adjustment is always small and calculated. This method is especially effective in engines with mild wear but no catastrophic damage. It's a balance between protection and flow, and that balance is key. Method 3. PCV system restoration. One of the most overlooked killers of engine longevity is the PCV system, and it's a huge contributor to oil burning across US roadways. When the PCV valve or hoses clog, crankcase pressure builds up and forces oil straight into the intake where it burns. Japanese mechanics almost always inspect and replace the PCV valve before diagnosing serious engine issues. The cost is minimal, but the impact can be huge. They also clean the PCV hoses and check for sludge buildup restricting airflow. Oil consumption often drops immediately. In some cases, what appears to be piston ring failure is actually just a ventilation issue. This is one of the cheapest and most overlooked oil burning fixes. Smart diagnosis prevents unnecessary engine teardown. Method 4. Valve stem seal conditioning. Valve stem seals harden with age, especially in hotter climates. Worn valve stem seals allow oil to drip into the combustion chamber, especially during cold starts or after idling. Instead of opening the cylinder head immediately, Japanese mechanics sometimes use seal conditioning oil additives specifically designed to restore flexibility to aging rubber seals. Over time, seals harden and shrink. Certain professional-grade conditioners gently swell and soften them. This method works best when seals are hardened but not cracked. It is not a miracle cure for physically damaged seals. It significantly reduces blue smoke at startup. Japanese workshops emphasize gradual restoration rather than aggressive chemical dumping. Method 5. Controlled combustion chamber decarbonization. Excessive carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber can trap oil and increase oil consumption. Japanese mechanics often perform controlled intake cleaning using specialized cleaners introduced gradually through the intake system. This softens and removes combustion deposits. Unlike aggressive DIY methods, the process is carefully monitored to avoid damaging catalytic converters or oxygen sensors. Cleaner combustion improves ring sealing and reduces oil burning over time. Many drivers notice smoother idle and improved throttle response after this service. When combined with shorter oil change intervals, the results are even better. It is about restoring engine efficiency rather than masking symptoms. Method 6. Compression and leak down diagnosis. Before panic. Here is something most people don't know. Japanese mechanics rarely assume engine failure without performing compression and leak down tests. These tests determine whether oil burning is caused by worn rings, valve leakage, or something minor. If compression numbers are still healthy, it means the rings are likely carbon stuck rather than worn out. That's a huge difference. This diagnostic first approach prevents unnecessary rebuilds. Many engines that owners think are dying still have strong internal sealing once carbon buildup is addressed. Proper testing saves money and ensures the correct solution is applied. Method 7. Oil change discipline. Now let's talk about one of the biggest contributors to oil burning in the US: extended oil change intervals. Many American drivers stretch oil changes to 7,500, 10,000, or even 12,000 miles, especially when using synthetic oil. While modern oils are advanced, high-mileage engines with blow-by contamination cannot tolerate long intervals the same way new engines can. Oil slips past and combustion starts consuming it. After performing cleaning procedures, Japanese workshops typically enforce strict 3,000 to 5,000 mile oil change intervals to stabilize the engine. Clean oil maintains ring mobility, reduces sludge formation, and minimizes further carbon buildup. That's why vehicles maintained under strict schedules routinely exceed 300,000 miles without internal repairs. Method 8. Non-invasive ring freeing technique. In the US, thousands of high-mileage engines burn oil simply because oil control rings are carbon stuck, not worn out. Japanese mechanics often use a controlled piston soak procedure before recommending any teardown. The goal is not aggressive cleaning, it's gradual carbon softening around the oil control rings. After soaking, the engine is carefully rotated and restarted to expel loosened deposits. When performed correctly, many engines show noticeable oil consumption reduction within 500 to 1,000 miles. Some vehicles that burned a quart every 1,000 miles improved to 2,500 plus miles per quart. The key is patience and precision. Rushing this process can cause hydrolock, which is why professionals do it carefully. Method 9. Engine vacuum balance optimization. Here's something most DIY mechanics never consider. Intake vacuum imbalance can increase oil pull into the combustion chamber. According to US service data, engines with vacuum leaks or intake imbalance often show elevated oil usage without obvious mechanical damage. Japanese mechanics perform a detailed intake vacuum analysis using gauges or scan tools to ensure proper airflow balance. If vacuum pressure fluctuates or drops below specification, fixing vacuum leaks, intake gasket issues, or throttle body deposits restores stable airflow and reduces oil draw. Many oil-burning engines improve simply because vacuum stability prevents oil mist from being sucked into combustion. This is a diagnostic-driven method, not guesswork.
Method 10. Switching to low-volatility engine oil. Here's something most drivers never realize. Not all oil loss is mechanical burning. Some of it is evaporation. Engine oil contains lighter molecules that can vaporize under high heat, especially in turbocharged or high-revving engines. In hotter US states like Arizona, Texas, and Nevada, underhood temperatures can push oil past 250 degrees Fahrenheit during highway driving. Lower quality or high volatility oils can evaporate faster under those conditions. This is measured by what's called the NOAC volatility rating, and Japanese mechanics pay close attention to it. A high NOAC percentage means more oil evaporates during operation. That evaporated oil enters the intake system and gets burned, making it seem like the engine has serious internal wear. By switching to a high-quality, low-volatility synthetic oil with a lower NOAC rating, this is especially effective in turbo engines, direct injection engines, and vehicles driven aggressively. The bottom line of this video is, before you spend thousands on an engine rebuild, try diagnosing the real cause. Oil burning does not always mean engine death. Japanese mechanics focus on restoring efficiency before replacing parts.
If this video helped you understand how professionals approach oil consumption the smart way, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips.